This video is on Python in cybersecurity. Python can not only be used to create malicious payloads, but it can also be used to analyze malware, decode packets, scan ports, and much more. Python is a critical tool that can automate a lot of tasks for both offensive and defensive cyber operators. For example, you can use Python to make information gathering easier and use Python to analyze data for potential threats a lot quicker. It has a lot of libraries and frameworks, which is useful for pen testing and allowing one to write code with minimal lines. Scappy library is used for decoding, analyzing, and processing network packets, for example. Cryptography library can help encrypt files. PSScan library can expose terminated processes. PSList shows details on how processes started and ended, and much more. Because Python is heavily used for machine learning, it's becoming even more popular among cybersecurity professionals, especially more so since Python can easily be integrated with other tools. Also, Python has data visualization libraries. You can easily create graphical representation of numerous data to better understand the data. From network activities to network attempts to malware detection and identifying trends, it has it all in an easy to understand format that easily integrates with other tools.